Want to learn French fast? Then press the subscribe button. Click the bell notification button and look at the pronunciation in brackets. It makes learning easy. Some coffee. Du café. Some milky coffee. Du café au lait. Some cola. Du cola. Some milk. Du lait. Some hot chocolate. Du chocolat chaud. Some lemonade. De la limonade. Some orange juice. Du jus d'orange. Some apple juice. Du jus de pomme. Some tea. Du thé. Some plain water. De l'eau plat. Now don't forget to subscribe, press the bell notification button and tune in next time for 10 more French words.